Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today I'm going to share a Maharashtrian recipe which is a twist to flattened rice flakes. It is Dadpe Pohe. This is a unique recipe with flattened rice flakes. You won't even feel the difference that poha is uncooked as it gets softened by absorbing the moisture from the other ingredients. Traditional recipe calls for thin or nylon poha. Let's see the process. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of chopped onions, add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, squeeze around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, now with the help of hand, crush the onions very well. Add 2 chopped green chilies, a handful of fresh cilantro, mix it once again. Leave this aside for 10 minutes. In other bowl, take 1 cup of thin poha. Take coconut water in your hand and slightly wet the poha with 2 tablespoons of coconut water. Rest this aside for 10 minutes. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To hot oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Now fry all of these in the oil. Allow it to cool down and pour the tempering to the onions. Now add the wet poha and mix everything well. Finally, add 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut. Mix once again. And our Dadpe Poha is ready to serve. Also note that this dish should be served right after it is prepared, as it tends to turn soggy if it is kept aside for long time. You can have it for breakfast or as an evening snack with a hot cup of chai. Also, this recipe can be served with Bombay mixture, sev, aloo bhujia and so on. Dadpe Poha is simple and easy recipe. Do try this and let us know in comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!